children, welcome to our science class. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, safety rules and first aid. Safety means Suraksha. What do you mean by safety rules? These are the rules meant for our safety, to keep us safe from accidents and danger. Our life is precious, so we should take care of ourselves. Now we are going to discuss about what are the safety rules should we follow at home, in school, on road, etc. Let's begin this chapter with beautiful slides. What do you understand by this picture? This is a picture of an accident. Accidents happen all of a sudden. These happen if we become careless or if we are in a hurry. जब हम लापरवाह होते हैं या जल्दी में रहते हैं तब एक्सीडेंट्स हो जाते हैं. Accidents can be avoided if we follow the safety rules. हमें इन्हें रोक सकते हैं कुछ सेफ्टी रूल्स को फॉलो करके. We should follow some safety rules even when we are at home, like do not hurry while climbing up or down the stairs. Keep the floor clean and dry. Put your toys and bags at their proper place. Do not take any medicine without doctor's advice. Do not burn crackers without your parents' help. Do not touch any wire or switch with wet hands. It may cause electric shock. Handle all the electrical appliances with great care. Every day, many people are killed or injured seriously on roads. So, it is very important to follow traffic rules and signals to avoid accidents. Some safety rules are: always walk on the left side of the road. Cross the road at a zebra crossing. Look carefully on the sides. If there is no vehicle coming, then you can cross safely. Never walk very close to an animal. Do not try to get down from a moving bus. To keep us safe, we should follow some safety rules inside the school also. Don't jump over the desks or tables. Use a sharpener, not blade or knife to sharpen your pencils. Don't push the crowd around while entering or leaving classroom. Never shout in someone's ear. Safety while swimming. Go with your elders for swimming. Don't swim after having meals. Swim in a clean pool. Don't swim in a deep pool. Don't force anyone into water. First aid. Accidents can happen anywhere and anytime. So, we must know what help should be give when someone gets hurt or injured. The first help that is given to an injured person before a doctor comes is called first aid. The importance of first aid is to save life, to prevent the condition from worsening, to speed up the recovery. First aid box. Always keep first aid box at home for emergency. The first aid box must contain following items: a roll of cotton bandage, Dettol or antiseptic cream solution, antiseptic cream, a pair of scissors, Bernol, it is used for minor burns, Vicks VapoRub, it is used for cold, Band-Aid, it is used for minor cuts, thermometer, it is used for measuring the temperature, balm, etc. Points to remember: don't panic if there is an accident. जब भी हम एक्सीडेंट देखते हैं तो हमें घबराना नहीं चाहिए. Call an adult for help. Don't gather around an injured person. Injured person के आसपास लोगों का इकट्ठा नहीं होना चाहिए. If bleeding is there, press the bleeding part with a clean cloth to stop the bleeding. After washing with clean water, tie a bandage around the wound. Keep dust and flies away from the wound. For minor burns and insect bites, apply an antiseptic cream. Now we conclude this lesson with this presentation. Read the lesson twice. With new chapter, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye children.